expensive car, but at the same time, sometimes you don't really want to buy something if you really don't like them. And for years I've said how much I hated them, and I've never ever driven one, ever. I've driven that shape of Civic in like a 1.6 before. My parents had one of those. I borrowed that occasionally off them. It was terrible, absolutely terrible. But the Type R is the top model. I think his is a pre-facelift one. I've seen it briefly, but I think it was dark when I seen it, so I can't remember. It's a black one, that's all I remember about it. He's got that many cars, you don't know when he's driving from one day to the next. So I'm going to nip round and take that out for a drive and see what I think. If I do get on with it, I've seen a couple that I like on the internet, which I may put an offering on one of them, may have already put an offering on one of them. See what we do with that, but I'm not sure what to do with it in terms of a project car, or just to use it as an every other day car and do more to my Golf. That's the two options I've got. Try to get the Civic to anywhere near the performance of the Golf. It would probably handle very similar to it for not a lot of money, but in terms of power I think it's going to cost an absolute fortune to get anywhere near that. If we're going to start doing track days and such, then I'd say the Civic would be the car that I'd pick for that anyway. The Golf's alright, don't get me wrong, it's a good handling car, but I don't think it would be on par with the Civic round corners, round proper corners. So let's go and have a go in this one and see what we think. I'll video this because this is such an exciting moment for me, actually getting to drive a Type R. Let go of the steering wheel there. Drive a Type R for the first time. I mean, let's not get it wrong. I mean, I'm sure this Fiat's probably just as quick. Probably. At 30 mile an hour, I bet you both cars are just as fast as each other. I'm not even doing 30, I'm only doing 25. But, yeah, right. Let's go and see how we get on with this then. This doesn't feature the massive jack cams, does it either?
No,
Which is strange. Strange.
Nice, neat and subtle-ish until you start it.
And you like this, don't you?
Yeah, oh, I love it, absolutely love it.
And you were Vauxhall as well.
Yeah, I'm a Vauxhall person.
And you didn't like Hondas at first, or were you alright about them? Because I've already said I didn't like them.
I kind of had an issue with them.
Might have changed.
Yeah, might have changed here as well.
We'll see. Right, well, this is kind of standard. It has a paddle clutch in it and a Lightning flywheel, from what I believe, because it needed a clutch when he bought it and that was the cheapest way to do it. Other than that, it's standard. As he said, it's got a little knock from the front, but that's right. I feel fast actually. That's, you know, alright, coming from a Golf R, but still kind of feels pretty nippy. So, brakes are good, stable handling's bloody good. Brakes are really good actually. Yeah, so I'm just going to take this for a little drive, not too far because it's not my car, and because the fuel light's on, and then I'll take it back to him. I'm just going to head up this way towards Scotland. Actually, I quite like the gear stick there. I always thought I'd hate that. I know I've driven my parents one of the same before and that was in the same place, but I don't know, it kind of feels good being there. It takes me back to being a van driver when I used to be a van driver again. Seating position's really good, comfy. Seems like it's going to shift this car actually. I've been in it as a passenger before, so I know it's pretty nippy. as far as I know, it is just the clutch that's changed from standard. I'll ask him when we get back, but the rest of it should be pretty much standard. It's pretty decent. He's selling this, which is a bit annoying. Kind of wanted a red one, and this is a black one, but I did kind of want a red one, but this is a black one, but he is selling this. I don't know what to do now. We might meet Steve, because he's taken my Fiat for a quick run, so we might meet him on these back roads going a different direction. We don't know yet. Hopefully we won't run into each other literally, but yeah, so it's a heavy clutch that. I should be used to this from the Corsa, from the old days. Typically I'm not, but yeah. Unfortunately the GoPro ran out, so we didn't. I don't know how much that it recorded. I only noticed the battery was out a couple of seconds ago, so never mind. Should have charged it up early, but I didn't. So that was my first drive of a Civic Type R. It was impressive actually. Pretty damn impressive. It was a lot faster than I was expecting it to be. I mean, I've been in them as a passenger, but it doesn't feel the same when you drive a car. I mean, things always feel a bit faster in the passenger seat. Sometimes this didn't. This felt pretty fast in the driver's seat as well. I don't know. Compare it to my Fiat, it's 4 times the power. Let's be honest. But it was good fun. I do think I might buy one. This one is for sale. Don't know. In terms of project cars, I don't know what I'd do with it, but I'd use it every day, I guess. It's my everyday car to replace the Fiat. But yeah, I think I might, unfortunately, end up owning a Honda very soon. It's something I never thought I'd ever say. Never mind.